Hello, people. Welcome to another review from Shady Reviews. Today, I'm going to review this little cheapie, but it's still a gem given its price. This is Mahir Legacy from Lattafa. I just picked it a couple of days back and I picked it up for 1,650 Indian rupees. It's close to around $20. And I'm actually surprised by the scent profile and also by the performance. Now, it comes in a very nice presentation, a very cool looking box. This one sits inside this, and talking about the bottle itself, it's quite heavy, and you can actually use it as a club to probably, no, I don't know. You can actually hurt someone with this. It's very heavy, and it's also got. I mean, since it's heavy, it's got a premium feel to it, and it doesn't look like a $20 bottle for sure. Now, coming to the scent, let's spray this and see what the top notes and what it looks like. Decent sprayer, gives a lot of juice, as you can see. So what this reminds me of immediately off the bat is Bergamot 22 by Le Labo. It's very similar. The opening is very similar to that. You get a fresh blast of citruses, and it's very smooth. Too chemical about it. It smells quite natural to my nose. So going to the notes breakdown, on it was hard to find, but on a website I could figure this out. I could get this. So the top notes are lime, grapefruit, and lavender. Middle notes and also pineapple. Middle notes we have juniper berry, rosemary, geranium, black pepper, and base notes we have vetiver, cashmere and ambrox, oak moss, and tonka bean. So given the citrusy top and also the oak moss in the base, you can classify it just by the notes as a barbershop type of a scent. But off the bat, it doesn't smell like a classic barbershop. It smells like a very citrus fragrance, but not a barbershop fragrance. I need to wait a little to see if that oak comes in the dry down and adds that element. But I've been wearing this on and off since yesterday, and nowhere during the journey that I found that this is a barbershop, a typical barbershop. So talking about the performance, I've been wearing this on and off for the last couple of days, and I wouldn't say it's a projection beast, but once you spray it, people around you can notice you. It's very airy, and I think that comes to the sillage. It actually, wherever you go, I think in the first, couple of hours, it leaves a beautiful trail which follows you around. And it's not loud that, whenever you turn, you don't get strong whiffs of your body if you spray it, but still, once in a while, you can perceive that scent. So it's very nice. I think not too loud, but still it's not, I would say, very subtle also. People can notice you. And I think this will make, given this property of it being not too loud, but and also not too subtle, it can be a very good office scent for you, right? You can wear it in the office, and people around you will, notice this good smell. Now, longevity, I sprayed it on my clothes, and I think the next day, so I sprayed it yesterday. Today, I cannot smell it. It's gone off. It doesn't last more than a day on clothes, and I don't think it's meant to be. This is more of I think, a freshie. You'll get a good, I think, 4 to 6 hours on your skin, which is very good for a freshie, and maybe on your clothes it might stay for a couple of more hours longer, maybe 8 to 10 hours. So given the price point and also the scent profile, I think that's very good for longevity. 4 to 6 hours on your skin is quite good. And I haven't tested this out yet in the sun, but I feel that uh, once you go out and uh, probably for a walk or when it's sunny, I think this is going to project off a little bit more with the heat. So maybe I'll test that in a few more days and then let you know what it is. Now coming to the pros and cons. So I think the pros of this scent is first the price point. It's I think very cheap, $20, 1,600 rupees. It's absolute value for money. And the second thing is it's a mass appealing scent. No one is going to get offended by this kind of a smell. I sprayed it, and people around me actually reacted positively to this. So that's another factor. And third thing is it's very well blended. I would say it's for the price. You don't get too much of a chemical blast once you spray it. So for the price point, it's a very well blended fragrance. Now coming to are there any other pros? Let me think. Uh, I think if you are into collecting good bottles, I think this will look very nice on your shelf. And in case there's a burglar, you can always use this as a weapon. Now coming to the cons, I think the only con over here is, for me, this might be a little bit too common, I feel. This kind of DNA has been done and dusted, and the dry down, especially once it dries down, I get an Axe body spray kind of a feel. It's not a bad thing, it doesn't smell unpleasant, but that kind of a DNA, the Axe DNA, it's quite common. And for people who are well into their fragrance journey, they might find it a little bit too redundant and not appealing, I would say. But it's not a negative, but still I feel some people might think that it's too common. But for the price point, definitely worth it. Now occasions to wear, like I said earlier, this will make a very good office scent. But I also feel that if it's summer, the heat is there, you can wear it anywhere. It's very versatile. You can wear it. Maybe I should try wearing this to the gym to see how it is. I will do that. And even you can wear it casually in the evening as well. If the weather is warm or sultry, I think this will perform very well, or it will be very apt for the those kind of occasions. Winter, I'm not sure. This one is very airy. It can be used for winter as well, but if you have heavier scents, you might be preferring those. But having said that, if you want a quick dumb reach to wear something, you can wear it on any occasion. So that way I feel versatility wise and also value wise, I think Lattafa has done a great job. I recommend you to try this. And it can be a blind buy as well, right? I mean, if you don't mind the redundancy or the common DNA, you can definitely do a blind buy on this. It's not going to hurt your pocket much, and it's definitely going to get you maybe positive reactions or compliments even. So that's it from my end today. So Maahir Legacy, great job done by Lattafa. Thank you.